Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a sketch of hands holding each other, so it's sort of a pose like that, and we are going to begin with the standard bell shape. So we could do ovals, but if we get some sort of shape going here like that, it would help a little more. So these will be the fingers of the hand that is in the foreground, and then of course there will be the hand that is in the background, wrists coming around here, back of the hand around here. And if we have that much set, I think that we will find it very easy to finish the rest of the exercise here, as long as we go step by step. So that shape could be an oval, but that shape in particular, and as I mentioned, the bell shape going into the wrist, that could be a little thinner. We will decide how we go along as we go step by step. So now essentially coming down, we have the knuckle set. So it's good to use very light strokes. We always say this in our videos and it really works. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are our fingers. So we'll use light strokes again. These are the separation points, like the joints here. So we have the index finger, and we have to get it in like that, so thicker here around the bend, because the index finger is raised a little more in these cases because it's grasping the hand right around there, and then a little separation in between the index finger and the middle finger, and then the middle finger can be rounded off somewhere somewhat like that. We go back into the next finger, we could also do sausages, as we always mention in our videos that focus on anatomy of the hand. So if we were to do one right here, now we are going to bring in the smallest finger closer because this is very wide. So we could do 1 and 2, and then just go over it, giving the same little distance in between, and then try to bring it together right here at the end. And our exercise is complete. And then for that matter, we bring up the butt of the hand a little bit and make this all go into the wrist. Refine that a little bit. We got the fingers of one hand down somewhat, and then the other hand, the bottom, let's take care of that first. Most likely it'll show somewhat like that. So that is the bottom of the hand. If I were to just get rid of some stray lines there, I think we'll be able to see this whole thing a little more clearly. Alright, so finger lines. Then we have 1, and then behind that 2 and 3 could also work. And then the thumb of this hand will kind of go like that. The thumb of the other hand will go somewhere here, just by that little bit. And we will go and put down this finger right here, finger lines, nail, and the next finger, which is longer, comes around the curve, fingernail, and the finger lines at the joints. And then the third one could be added. In some hands might not be visible, some hands it will be visible, but we'll just put it here. There's the third finger as well. The thumb sticking out for that other hand, which is engulfed by this hand. So there's the fingernail, the thumbnail, let's say, and the thumb of this hand with the fingernail and the separating thumb lines. Get rid of a little bit there just to show this a little more clearly again. And there we have it. So we put the hand together. We will grab ourselves a pen so that we can highlight the different digits that we put down. A little more clearly. So some of course, we will have to even this all out with a some kind of fills. So definitely fills in between these fingers will help if we are, whether we're doing it with a pencil or whether we're doing it with a pen. Some fills right here at the bottom wherever there should be a shadow will also tremendously help the entire illustration. And there we go. We could, of course, if we are detailing this, we could put in like details around the knuckles, some sort of crosshatch going to imply a shadow on the, so softer shadow, not hard shadow, softer shadows around the areas which are slightly away from the light. The routine shadows around the curvatures. Again, an exercise that will just enhance the illustration. So do try it out. It's a lot of fun. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.